What's going on, guys? Hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Today I'd like to bring to you an awesome program that I joined about a month ago. It's really hands off. All I'm putting in at the moment is like 3 to 5 hours in a week, and it's pretty much running on autopilot. What got my attention about this online business is the time and also the amount of money you can earn within a very short amount of time. So if you compare this to YouTube automation business, we have to deal with a lot of moving parts like script writer, voiceover, thumbnail designer, video editor, and also you have to look out for your content, what content you're going to be putting out, and script. Something happens with the script, you're gonna get copyright, you're gonna get reused content, issues on your channel. So that's the reason I also doing YouTube and also doing this online business. So the business that what I'm mentioning is about called online consistent money system. Pretty much what it does, all the back end gets set up by a professional team, and you don't even talk to anyone. The sales team makes all the selling and telling for you, and it's also running in the background, automated system. So pretty much what the product is the main thing, like what we're going even selling. So it's like a member to member online platform, right? And the great thing about is like when you get in the program, also the product is really good, because I find this day and age everyone needs one thing, especially if you are a online marketer, if you're online seller, you know how important this product is going to be if you hear it. So the product is traffic, right? This program gives you traffic, and this program also gives you very great return for your money. So sorry, that's my daughter. So the money that you earn from this, like you're going to be getting $800, $2,400, all the way up to $4,000 per sale. And like I said, you don't need to do any selling, you don't need to do convince anyone, you don't have to run around anyone asking them to buy your product, because what it is when the back end gets set up, like everything gets sent out automatically, right? It's like an automatic email that gets sent out, and pretty much all you're doing is just if someone replies, you just reply to them back, right? So that's the very good part about this business model. Is like before when I joined, I remember I joined a business that we need to talk to a prospect, we need to call them, just running around them. So nothing like this on this business model. Really hands off, and you don't need any experience, you don't need to be a tech savvy person, and if you have been failing in other business model, right, this can be a great time for you to get started. And also this program started last year, and the amount of success that I have been seeing is just mind-blowing. So this is the good time to get in, because it's only getting started. And like Amazon FBA, drop shipping, YouTube automation, this business has been around, it's like really flooded. So if you're a newbie, I would recommend to highly check this out. And I'll also be your support, I'll also be a mentor. So when you get in, I will get on a one-on-one call with you, and we can discuss how this system works. So if you want to know more about it, I leave a link in the description. Click on it and go on the page, enter your details, and see for yourself if this is the right business you have been looking for. Thanks a lot for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and until next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.